Hello everyone, you're watching GB Baldomero Vlog. For today's featured video is an illustration of air-operated double diaphragm or AOD and polypropylene diaphragm pump assembly animation of how does it work after a short intro.
But before we go any further, a word of caution. Don't let just the salaries drive your choices. Let your desire drive your choices. There is wholehearted passionate effort. Passionate effort leads to expertise. Where there is expertise, opportunities and success follow.
We will start on dismantle and reassemble of air-operated double diaphragm or comet called as polypropylene pump, and I will explain shortly and briefly on how this type of pumps works. Polypropylene or conducive polypropylene air diaphragm pumps are cost-effective alternative to PVDF pumps in many applications. This is a high chemical resistance to ultraviolet radiation and high mechanical strength. Polypropylene pump is suitable for use with acid or alkaline-based chemicals. Air-operated double diaphragm pump are classified as reciprocating positive displacement pumps. They operate by displacing fluid from one of its liquid chambers upon each stroke completion. This pump's application are broad because air-operated double diaphragm pumps are capable of safely and effectively handling anything from water to solids-laden slurries, including vololite and dangerous liquids. Their flexibility allows one pump to tackle numerous applications without costly motor drives or critical sizing calculation. The difference between air-operated double diaphragm and centrifugal pump. Unlike normal centrifugal pumps, which are not self-priming, air-operated double diaphragm pumps are self-priming and do not require liquid to be present before starting. The design configuration of AOD pumps is such that they form a vacuum, allowing atmospheric pressure to push the liquid into the pump suction port. How do air-operated diaphragm works? AOD pumps utilize dual flexible diaphragms mounted to shared shaft, which moves back and forth repeatedly in strokes to pump fluids into and out of the pump's fluid chambers. This movement creates vacuum, which intakes fluid through an inlet port. Till then, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you learned something from my video featured today. Once again, gracias and adios.